Thanks for asking, ma'am.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
So since this is our very first meeting time, so I want to know about yourself, and my audience also want to know about yourself. So please introduce about yourself in brief way.
Okay. So Anuj, my name is Neetu. I'm connecting from you in Delhi. I'm a housewife. If I am talking about my education, I have completed only 12th class. And now I'm running a YouTube channel and my hobbies are traveling. I love to play with my kids. So that's all about me.
I'm
Yes.
It's disturbing me. Just a minute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes, so this is my turn to introduce myself. So, my name is Anuj Naik, as you know, and I'm from Odisha, belongs to Kanpur district. Right now, I'm in Bhubaneswar. It is the capital of Odisha, and I'm learning German language right now. And my hobbies are most of the time I like to play basketball as well, reading books and learning languages. That's all about myself. Yeah,
Hmm. So you are learning German language, right?
you are right.
Okay. So why you think about that you should learn German language?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have given one exam for the medical college and I was selected for that. But in the interview time, I did not qualify because they took my interview in German language. So it was very difficult for me to talk. And right now, after that, they suggested me to learn German language. Then I can go. So now I am learning, and maybe month of May or June, I will be going to German country.
Okay, that's why you are learning. But in German, if you are going in German country, so there that person in there, English will be there.
Yeah, English will be there, but as in medical line, what happens? Most of the sick people come, and everybody doesn't know English. So most of the time they will be talking to me in German language. That's why only I'm learning this language. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when you are German language is totally different from you, right? So how did you learn this language?
Actually, I started learning from YouTube or online classes, but it was totally different from English or any other language. That's why I decided to come to Bhubaneswar for offline classes. And nowadays, I'm having offline classes. It is going to be 1 month. And yeah, yeah, how I was thinking, it is not like that. It is a little easy for me because I'm giving more priority to this language, and I give full time, and most of the time I effort myself for learning this language.
The German language.
Yes,
So how do you have friends that you can talk with them in German language?
I'm very sad, ma'am, because I do not have any friend who can talk to me, and I
Hmm.
have no because there is no one, so I can't improve my speaking skill. But I can read, I can understand, I can follow, but not able to speak because of there is no practice at all.
Okay. So what
Yes.
is your teacher suggests you to that you how you can practice your German language?
Yeah, he says that you take any kind of topic and just you yourself practice. That I can do, I can practice, but how will I come to know that whether I'm making mistake or no? Yeah, sometimes I can find myself I'm making mistake, but most of the one thing is that pronunciation. Pronunciation, I
Mm.
can't say that I am good at pronunciation.
No, it's like you are learning German language and I am learning English language. So that is totally different for other, but because our mother tongue is totally different, right? So that's why
Yes,
I'm asking these questions to you that we are not able to practice ourselves. That is not benefits for us because we are not able find out that what where we are doing mistakes, right?
yes.
Hmm. So that's why we should practice this language with anyone, to another person that we can express our thoughts, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I was finding partners in YouTube and I got one. Yeah, but he speaks very fluently and he knows everything. And this is my beginning time, so I can't talk to him. So now I am practicing myself. I will be practicing like 2 to 3 months, then I will connect with him surely.
Okay. So you can in your coaching center, you are like you said that you are taking offline classes. So in your coaching center, there is few members who is learning this language. Also, you can try to take his numbers. Then you can talk to on phones also.
Yeah, actually, I told them that we can talk in German language, and they are not interested at all. Even
Hmm.
when I speak, they laugh at me, and they say that no need to speak. Just you learn properly, then you speak. Like that, they say, and they don't speak even. So it is not possible. But I am trying to convince them. If they will understand, then I think they will talk to me.
Right. So it's your goal that you should go in German country or like there is.
Yeah,
But
no,
why you choose this country?
yes, actually, that is not my goal. Even that was not my goal at all. What happens? Actually, I want to become a doctor. So after my plus two, I wrote NEET exam, but it was a good score. But I did not get a selection in India. So
Hmm.
I got selection in private college, but for my father, it is like too tough to pay the money. And in India, I can say that for in education part, it is like business.
Hmm.
So finally, I thought I will do BSc nursing, and for that also, I some my brother is in Ireland right now, so he told me about Germany country. So and he gave all the facilities and he told me everything. After that, I decided because in German country they will not charge me even single rupee, and they will be giving me like scholarship and after my education or my completing education also they will give me job.
Okay, that's good. Like you want to become a doctor, and why you shifted your BSc in nursing center, nursing field?
Actually nowadays what happens for MBBS to become a doctor we write NEET exam and we have caste system also no because of that if whether you are doing good but that like ST SC people if they are doing means they are just getting pass number then also government give place to them and it is very difficult for us to get. That's why I thought I will do BSc nursing.
So, do you think that you should government stop this rule? Because I think in in this education center, government should uh, should equals to everyone who has power, like ST, OBC. They have special seat. Yeah, right.
Actually, I want to say government should understand the feeling and situation of the students. One who is working hard and getting good number and learning well, he should get first place. But government does like a caste system. It is really totally bad, I think, because
Hmm.
see, a caste system will not work later on. Because suppose you are studying properly and you score like 500 and somebody scored 300, then one who scored 500, he should get the job, not 301. But in
Hmm.
government, what happens? Whether you just get like third class or first class, it doesn't matter. They look at ST, SC, OBC, means after caste only they are running. So I don't like this, and because of that only I say that India is like business. It is doing business in education part.
Yes. No, you are saying right that in education, government should equal to everyone because here government should know here government should know how much student they are working for their government
Yeah.
exam, right? They Ari, I'm coming. Now my son is coming and he started like it's in YouTube ads will come. That's why he came to me and then he wants that I should skip that ad. That's why I'm saying to you, okay, I have only 10 minutes.
Okay,
Okay,
it's okay.
I
Okay,
think we
then,
should
ma'am.
connect another time.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Have a nice
Thanks
day,
for
Anuj.
connecting. Okay, you too.